Darth Vader is one of my favorite characters. His entire appearance, including the iconic breathing, is the symbol of power and authority. And with video editing, you can breathe life into video footage and give it power to impact your audience. Now I got a tool here today that allows you to edit your videos like a true Jedi Master. Welcome to Video State. On this planet, I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you want some more. Now the force may be strong with the Skywalkers, but video editing is strong here with us at Video State. Now video editing helps you to tell a story, convey emotions, and create a sense of rhythm that keeps your audience engaged. And a great video edit is the difference between watching a video in full length or clicking away. Now think about some of your favorite movies. What do they have in common? They have unforgettable scenes that keep you on the edge of your seat. Now, imagine if those scenes had been poorly edited. The pacing would be off, the music would not fit, and the tension would fall flat. And that's the power of editing. It can take a good scene and turn it into a great one. And today we're looking into Clipchamp, a browser-based video editing platform that allows you to create and edit your videos online without the need for fancy software. The first thing that I notice is that when I go to my account, it kind of looks the same as the Canva interface, a program that I use extensively for creating video concepts. You can create folders so you have all your edits neatly organized in one place. Now let's head over to the editor, create a video. Clipchamp stands out because of its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for even beginners to start. As you can see, Clipchamp's editing interface is very clear. You got your video track, audio track and text overlays just like any other video editing tool. It allows you to trim, cut and split videos easily. It's like a complete video editing universe. Now on the right hand side you got your control panel where you can adjust colors, add effects, text and subtitles. And on the left hand side you got all your ingredients to make a great video. You can drag and drop your clips under media and directly use them in your timeline. Under record and create you'll see three options: screen and camera, record camera or record screen. Recording yourselves for vlogs and webinars.
A Jedi's training for communication and presentation this is.
If you head over to templates, you see that you can choose from a variety of video templates. Intros and outros, lower thirds and overlays. Music and sound effects define the heartbeat of your video, so it's great that Clipchamp comes with an inbuilt library of tracks that you can use. There's some variety in the music, but obviously most of their content is premium stuff. Further, Clipchamp allows you to place basic text animations directly onto your video. The titles are very clean and basic, but if you're just starting out with video editing, this is perfect. A dynamic video edit is important to keep your audience hooked. Clipchamp comes with built-in transitions that you can use to switch from one scene to another. And much like the teachings of the Jedi, it's wise to limit one use of transitions. On the lower left side you see the brand kit, a place for your logos, fonts and color schemes so you can create consistency in your video aesthetics, which is one of the essential parts in video branding. Now I really like the intuitive interface. You can change the aspect ratio of your video in just one click. Vertical, horizontal or square, and you see that the preview screen changes along, and that's really nice. And if you're sensing a disturbance in your video, you can go to controls on the right hand side and bring back balance to your edit. Now when you need more than just your own footage to tell your story, you can use a variety of graphics and stock video to complement your edit. Clipchamp also offers a range of export options, including exporting directly to YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo and various other video hosting sites. Now, on pricing, Clipchamp offers a great free plan with unlimited watermark-free exports in high definition. And for just €12 a month, you get all the premium content that you need in one place. Now long ago, in a decade far, far away, I started my journey as a video editor, splicing together analog tapes using Pinnacle Studio. And later I honed my skills with iMovie, teaching myself the ways of the video force. These were humble tools, but my first step in creating binge-worthy video content. So whether you're a beginning or an experienced video creator, Clipchamp is definitely worth checking out. Now get your lightsaber out and cut your way through that video content. I'll be back.